Have you ever wondered how an octopus, one of the most mysterious creatures of the sea, lives and thrives in the deep blue? These enigmatic beings, with their soft bodies and multitude of arms, have captivated us for centuries. They dwell in the depths, far from human eyes, cloaked in the ocean's twilight zone where light barely penetrates. Octopuses are like the aliens of our own world, possessing an array of unique characteristics that set them apart from all other marine life. From their ability to change color in the blink of an eye, to their remarkable intelligence that rivals many mammals, these creatures are a wonder to behold. Their world is one of perpetual darkness, a place where survival demands innovation and adaptability. Each octopus is a testament to the marvels of evolution, a living embodiment of nature's boundless creativity. Join me as we uncover the top 10 fascinating facts about these enigmatic creatures. Starting at number 10, did you know octopuses are the masters of disguise? It's true. These 8-armed marvels have an incredible knack for transforming their appearance. Octopuses are equipped with special cells called chromatophores, which are just beneath their skin surface. These cells allow them to change their color in the blink of an eye, mimicking their surroundings for effective camouflage or flashing vibrant patterns for communication. But that's not all. They can also alter their texture, making their skin appear rough or smooth to match the terrain. An octopus might emulate a rocky seabed one moment, then switch to a sleek, sandy surface the next. This remarkable ability to adapt their look is not only a survival strategy, but also a way for them to express their mood, making them one of the most fascinating creatures in the marine world. Our underwater friends certainly know how to blend in, don't they? Moving on to fact number 9, octopuses are incredibly intelligent for an invertebrate. They're the Einsteins of the ocean, if you will. Their brains, compared to other invertebrates, are massive, and they're not just for show. These squishy scholars are known for their problem-solving skills. From unscrewing lids to escape tanks to using coconut shells as mobile homes, octopuses have been observed employing a wide range of strategies to get what they want. But that's not all. Octopuses also have the ability to learn through observation. That means if an octopus watches another octopus perform a task, it can pick up the skill just by watching. This ability to learn and adapt is unprecedented in the world of invertebrates. So, next time you see an octopus, don't underestimate its brain power. With their intelligence and problem-solving skills, octopuses might be giving us a run for our money in the smarts department. Coming in at number 8, octopuses are known to be great escape artists. Just imagine the world's most secure prison, and then picture an octopus, effortlessly slipping through the bars. Sounds like a fiction, right? But it's not. Octopuses don't have a rigid skeleton like us, which means they can compress their bodies to squeeze through the tiniest of gaps. Some of you might be thinking, well, how small can they really get? Believe it or not, an octopus can wriggle its way through a hole no bigger than its eye. That's pretty mind-boggling, isn't it? This knack for escape has led to more than a few surprise adventures in aquariums around the world. From slipping out of their tanks to wandering around on the floor, these invertebrates are always ready to stage a breakout. Their escapades are so legendary, they might just make Houdini proud. At number 7, let's talk about the octopus's unique defense mechanism, ink. Octopuses are known for their remarkable ability to produce and release ink when facing threats. This isn't just your average ink, folks. It's a cloud of dark, viscous liquid that's rich in melanin, the same pigment that colors human skin. The octopus uses this ink not only to obscure the predator's view, but also to impair their sense of smell and taste, adding another layer of defense. The science behind this is fascinating. The ink is stored in an ink sac and can be expelled rapidly, thanks to a muscle that contracts, pushing the ink out. The action is so swift that it gives the octopus time to either hide or make a quick getaway. This multi-purpose ink is a testament to the octopus's evolutionary adaptability and cunning survival tactics. Their ink defense is a nifty trick, isn't it? Coming in at number 6, octopuses can regenerate lost arms. Yes, you heard it right. Much like the mythical creatures from our comic books, octopuses have an astonishing superpower, the ability to regrow their appendages. Imagine being able to grow back a part of your body after an accident or a predator attack. That's precisely what an octopus can do. This natural regeneration process is a fascinating survival adaptation. If an octopus loses an arm, it can regrow a new one with no permanent damage. It's not just a partial growth, but a full-fledged, fully functional arm. This process of regeneration allows the octopus to recover from injuries that would spell doom for many other creatures. It's a testament to their incredible resilience and adaptability. This remarkable ability also has another advantage. It allows the octopus to sacrifice an arm to a predator to make a quick escape, knowing it can simply grow a new one. Octopuses truly are the superheroes of the sea. At number 5, did you know that octopuses prefer to live alone? These enigmatic creatures truly embody the essence of solitude. An octopus's life is not one of social camaraderie or complex hierarchies. Instead, they are solitary beings, spending much of their lives in isolated tranquility. This solitude extends even to their mating rituals. When the time comes to procreate, a male octopus will keep a safe distance, using a specialized arm to deliver the sperm to the female. This arm is often torn off in the process, but fear not, it regenerates. Once the deed is done, the male retreats, leaving the female to guard and nurture her eggs. And for the female, the end of her life is often tied to the birth of her offspring. After laying her eggs, she guards them diligently, refusing to eat until they hatch. This self-sacrificing devotion often leads to her demise. They might be loners, but their love life is certainly interesting. Fact number 4 might surprise you. Octopuses have a surprisingly short lifespan. When you think about these cunning sea creatures with their problem-solving intelligence and masterful camouflage, you might assume they stick around for decades. But alas, most octopuses live for just 1 to 2 years. The giant Pacific octopus, a notable exception, can live up to 5 years. But that's still a blink in the ocean's timeline. The female octopus has a particularly unique life cycle. After laying her eggs, she guards them fiercely without eating for months on end. Once her offspring hatch, she dies, her life's purpose fulfilled. It's a poignant example of nature's cycle, the sacrifice of a mother for the survival of her young. This brief existence, full of wonder and intrigue, perhaps adds to the octopus's mystique. Their lives might be short, but they certainly make the most of it. Coming in at number 3, octopuses have blue blood. Yes, you heard that right. Blue, not red. Their blood is copper-based, unlike ours, which is iron-based. This copper-based blood, known as hemocyanin, is particularly efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, which explains why octopuses can survive in the deep, dark depths of the ocean where oxygen is scarce. Their blue blood also plays a crucial role in maintaining their metabolism, allowing them to endure in extreme underwater conditions. The blue blood helps to keep their bodily functions operational even in the face of lower temperatures and limited oxygen supply. It's a pretty nifty adaptation if you ask me. So, not only do octopuses possess intelligence, agility, and camouflage skills, they also have this unique, life-sustaining blue blood. It's fascinating how nature has engineered these creatures to thrive in environments that would be inhospitable to most. Who knew that blue blood could be so beneficial? At number 2, octopuses have no bones in their bodies. That's right, no bones at all. This cephalopod is a master of flexibility and maneuverability. This boneless body is not just for show, it's a survival strategy. With no rigid skeleton to confine them, octopuses can squeeze through the tiniest of cracks, the narrowest of crevices. This makes them incredibly difficult to catch, both for predators and the curious divers among us. Their lack of bones also means they are not limited by a fixed shape. They can alter their form to mimic different creatures or objects, adding another layer to their impressive disguise skills. Imagine being able to reshape your body at will, to fit through any gap or mimic any object. That's the life of an octopus. But remember, it's not all fun and games. This incredible adaptability is a necessity in their harsh oceanic environment. Boneless and brilliant, wouldn't you agree? And finally, at number 1, octopuses have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. Yes, you heard that right. These fascinating marine creatures are equipped with a trio of hearts, each with a unique function. 2 of these hearts, known as branchial hearts, are solely responsible for pumping blood to the octopus's gills. These hearts cease to beat when the octopus swims, explaining why they prefer crawling to expending energy on swimming. The third heart, termed the systemic heart, pumps blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, this heart also stops beating when the octopus is swimming, causing the creature to tire quickly. This is a fascinating adaptation, isn't it? So, while it may seem like an excess, each of these 3 hearts plays a critical role in the octopus's survival. Just another reason why the octopus is one of the most intriguing creatures in our oceans. 3 hearts pumping for these astonishing creatures. We've dived deep into the world of octopuses and discovered some truly fascinating facts. These 8-armed wonders are masters of disguise, changing their appearance to camouflage into their surroundings. They're not just all show and no substance, though. Octopuses are brainy invertebrates, with a mental acuity that rivals many higher animals. Their intelligence also makes them excellent escape artists, slipping through the tiniest of openings. When cornered, they deploy an ink defense, blinding and confusing predators. They have the power of regeneration, growing back lost arms. Despite their intelligence and abilities, they are solitary creatures, living alone in the depths of the ocean. Their lifespan is surprisingly short, often not exceeding a few years. Their blue blood, a result of copper-based hemocyanin, helps them survive in cold, low-oxygen environments. And they have no skeleton, which aids in their flexibility. And let's not forget they have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. So the next time you think of sea creatures, remember the octopus, a creature as